Hello everybody, my name is Nathan Golden and I'm going to teach you some experiments. So first you use baking soda and then you use the spoon inside the baking powder and then you put inside the 3 balloons and then after it's vinegar and then you put vinegar inside the 3 empty bottles and then we put yellow and green and blue food coloring inside the bottles, 3 empty bottles. Now we put the vinegar inside the bottles and then next we are going to put the food coloring. Now what's happening? The bottle was changing like colors like blue. Now the color was changing to orange. Now the color changed it to dark green. So first we put the balloon upside down and then the vinegar and baking soda will mix together. Now our experiment has finished. Look how amazing it is. Have a good day. Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Golan and we are the second part. So we are going to put, so here's milk, 2 of them, and here's fairy, and we are going to use all of the food coloring. experiment. And we have grass here and my toy dinosaurs. And this cup we're going to do a real tiny volcano. So first we put the baking soda inside the pot. And then we put the baking soda inside the pot. Making the volcano with foil paper. And then we use vinegar. Tomorrow at school, we are going to have our volcano, and then we will have the vinegar so the volcano could explode. Goodbye.